Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of bash scripting. So today we are going to learn how to use the functions, and we are going to pass two arguments, and we are going to sum up that argument. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So here we go with the functions. We are going to create a function name, that is add function, which we are taking the two parameters, and we are going to sum up and show the result. So let's copy this and add this. So this is the how to pass parameters to a function. We are going to pass parameters to a function in a bash script, right? So let's have a look on that. Let's comment this part, okay? And we are going to add this part, okay? Let's save it. Let's run it. Here we are going to run this part. Result is 3. You can see that. You can also take the argument from the user input and add this part. So here we have created a function. So this is how to create a function. Okay, and here we are taking the arguments like one index and the second index and print the result. So here we have a function add. So you can see that we have a additional operator over here. So first argument, then the second argument, then plus this, sum up this and print that result. And here we are just passing add 1 and 2. So this is how we are going to sum by using a function or additional operator using in the add function, and how to pass arguments to the function in the bash script. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.